Welcome to Research Trade Profit. This is Kumar from Research Trade Profit, and I'll today in this video I'm going to show how to trade and how you can make profit in Indian stock market. This video is purely for intraday traders who trade in NSE cash, and here it will be very useful video for the new beginners, and this is easy and best way for intraday traders. Just you can fill the details here, your name, your email ID and mobile number in our Research Trade Profit website, and you can click on day trading stocks. It will take you to the link where you can easily find the stocks which is better for trading intraday, either making buy or making a sell. And here this link you can just find the stocks which are in buy or sell for the day. If you click on sell, it will show all the stocks which are ready to make a short sell, and in intraday we can make a profit using the entry and exit levels with the strict stop loss and targets. Same way you can click on buy, you just make a tick on buy. You can find the stocks which are available for buying. This is very simple and unique technique of making intraday traders, and I believe this is the best platform for making intraday trading using our advanced intraday trading levels. So you can see the stocks as I am recording this call on November 15th 2016 at the time of 8:45, and you can see the stocks. And today Nifty was down. You can see I am just checking in money control Nifty how much points was down today. Let me check Nifty how much points down for today because of US elections results, and because of banning this 500 and 1000 rupees notes. Market was crashed like anything from last 1 week, and you can see this Nifty today it was down by almost 2.5%. I just want to show you in money control. So Sensex was down by 515 points down, and you can see the other stocks. Nifty was down by 2.5%. So this was a figure for the Nifty index for today, and let us check with our stocks. First we will go with and every day I will be updating these levels by 9:15 or 9:20. As soon as market opens, within 2 to 3 minutes you will be getting the stocks which are ready to buy or sell with stop loss and targets. And the unique way of this level is you will be getting a average entry point as well. In this website, in this table, you will be getting a advanced trading levels before market analyze or candles analyze the market. You will be getting a ready-made levels, and it is very simple. Just follow the numbers and put your orders, and you can make a good and decent money using these charts. Here you can see this sell levels and the sell average. If it's make a short sell and if it goes up, then we have one more levels where you can keep a stop loss, and we have given a selling you can make a sell average and targets and target 2 with a strict stop loss. This is the unique and very simple calculations I have done, and I am showing you it in a very simple way. So you can see this as Nifty was down, and we have lot of stocks only in sell call. We are having only hardly one stock for intraday buying. Using this technique you can easily find out market where it may go. So if you click on sell call, it was almost more than 10 symbols was in sell call. So that itself shows market is very weak for the day. So starting we'll go with the basic one by one. First thing is you require a 5 minutes chart for making the trade, and our advanced table ready in your system for making intraday trading. So first thing we'll go with ACC. So ACC we are showing sell signal. So sell levels was given here. 1391 was sell levels. 1391. You can see this is the intraday chart. From here candle will start, and you can see the open, high, low, close in this side, and 1391 was a sell call, and you can see this chart. Our sell call was generated at morning gap down itself, it was opened. So again you could have waited, and the sell call was recome from that 9 o'clock 40 minutes, morning 9:40 a.m. Sell call was generated 1391. You can see this level 1391 was a sell call, and the sell average was 1491, 1419, sorry, 1499. It has not been done. You can see this candle in this line. The day high has not broken this level, but sell was generated at 9:40 time at the levels of 1391. So our target was given. First target was at 1362. You can see this levels, this line. Sell call was generated at 9:40, and the target was done at time of 10 o'clock 5 minutes. So within 45-50 minutes the target was done, and you can see this level again. It tried to move up near our selling levels, that is 1391. You can see this selling levels was given at 1391, and this candle high was 1391.50. This was high for the, again made at 11:45, and again you can see it came down and down and down, and our target was again reached at time of 12:20. So two times sell call was generated, and two times also target was done, and you can see this end of the day by 3 o'clock the second target was done at 3:5. That was 1333 was the second target, and this candle you can see 1330 was the low for this candle at the time of 3 o'clock 5 minutes. So sell call was successfully, two targets were done in ACC. Same way we can go for Ambuja Cement. I will show you Ambuja Cement chart. So sell call was, this was a sell call. Ambuja Cement was given a sell call, and sell entry was at 318.55 paisa. This was the levels. Sell call was generated at 318.55 paisa, and sell average was given at 323.95 paisa. So after market opened at gap up levels, even though it was opened at gap up levels, we had a sell call only, and morning this was the exact sell call generated, and average was before. So we can't consider this as a average sell call. Only our first sell entry was activated successfully, and our target was given at 213.20 paisa. You can see this candle, 10 o'clock 5 minutes candle. It made a low of 212.50 paisa, and the sell call was generated at 218.55 paisa. This candle 9:50 time sell was generated, and target was done at 10 o'clock 5 minutes. So this was the level in Ambuja Cement, and the second target was at 324.40 paisa. You can see this, sorry, second target was at 307.80 paisa. You can see this candle at the time of 3 o'clock 5 minutes. Ambuja Cement made a low of 307.70 paisa, and the target was 307.80 paisa. So it was a second target was also done easily. This was the call for Ambuja Cement. Same way you can go for any other stocks. As we are having lot of time shortage, I am not able to track every stocks. Just I will go with the Hindustan Unilever. This was the Hindustan Unilever chart for the day, and it was a sell call, and sell entry was at 797.80 paisa. 797.80 paisa. Here the sell call was generated at the time of, just a moment, this was the sell call generated at 9 o'clock 55 minutes, and the selling average was given at 806.30 paisa. That was done at, average was done at 10 o'clock 20 minutes, and later it came exactly near our first selling levels, and you can see this, consider this as this was the average somewhere near 801. You can see this sell 797 and 806, almost the difference of 8 rupees. You can consider it as 801, 802 was the selling average, and you can suppose the target was not done, as this candle is clearly showing target was not done. But then also that candle by 3:30 market was closed at 804.90 paisa, so it was hardly a loss of 2 rupees, 3 rupees in Hindustan Unilever. So this was the, as you are seeing, two targets were done. One is ACC and Ambuja Cement. Hindustan Unilever was loss book of 2 points. Same way we'll go for some other stocks. Let us go with NTPC. NTPC, yes, I'll show you. NTPC sell call was activated at the rate of 150.75 paisa. 150.75 paisa. This was a red line. It was done at 9 o'clock 20 minutes. Sell was generated, and the target was given at 149.15 paisa. 149.15 paisa. First target was done, and you can see one more time it made a high of selling our selling levels, and market was closed at somewhere near 150.25 paisa, and sell was under 150.75 paisa, almost near selling levels it was closed. So this was first target was done in NTPC sell call. Same way we'll go with Reddy. Dr. Reddy actually had a buy call. So every time we can't just say the successful calls, we have to accept the facts. And if you see the stocks, it was a difficulty call in Dr. Reddy that we had a buy call. And let us check the buy call. What was the situation? We had a buy call at 3307. Here the buy call was generated somewhere at the time of 9:20. Buy call was activated, and after 3307 it made a high of 3329. Almost it went up by 22 points, but we couldn't reach our target, as our target was buy call target was 3380. So somewhere we had a target of more than 80 points. Unfortunately we were not able to catch that 80 points target, but 30 points has went up. So if by the closing also it was closed at, we can check this closing price, 3301 was the closing levels, and our buy was generated at 3307. Here buy call generated, and if you were closed on the closing price also, it was a loss of around 7 rupees. So Dr. Reddy, we had to book a loss of 7 rupees, and one other two stocks was target were done, and Hindustan Unilever target was not done, but it has not given any stop loss. I mean, no, either it is a buy call or sell call, the stop loss has been not triggered, and it has given a chance to exit at cost to cost level by closing time. This is how our calls will generate in NSE stocks, and this is a very easy way to select the stocks. And this is the, I hope you got a useful information by viewing this video. You can subscribe to my channel. I will be updating every day calls generated in our website, and every day you can just watch a videos for 10 to 15 minutes time you can spend to our channel, and you can visit regular updates in our YouTube channel, and I hope you will be getting some knowledge using the intraday levels. You can become a registered member, and by paying just 1000 rupees per month, you can able to access all this data, as we are not providing this for anyone for free. By just paying 1000 rupees, you can get all this data for NSE, MCX, and F&O stocks for just paying 1000 rupees. And if you are happy and if you want to get discounts, you can subscribe to 3 months plan, and you will be getting a discount of 500 rupees. That is just paying the 2500. You can subscribe for 3 months plan. And I hope you got useful ideas, and I hope you have got some good platform for trading intraday using our advanced trading levels. And thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Hope to see you again. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye. Tada. Good night.